We continue to support the foundation because this community of the Plattsburgh and North Country is really growing right now, and I think without the foundation of a fantastic healthcare facility, we just don't have the opportunity to continue to grow. And you know, I just think it's very, very important that the community embraces that and helps the hospital do what it needs to do to grow with the community.
The mission of the foundation of CVPH is to garner support for health and wellness programs that support our medical center and the North Country community.
Because of the generosity of our community through donations and planned gifts, we are able to support a regional medical center and community wellness and prevention programs that touch all of our lives.
Well, I think over the years the foundation has done splendid things for the community. The scholarships, the money for travel, help support of the physical plant, the lecture series. These are all just wonderful things that are an asset to our community.
The programs that mean the most to me are the scholarship programs, which help students in our local schools and employees here at the hospital that want to improve their education.
Another program that has really been helpful to us as a couple is the lecture series. We have attended these lecture series where there's a question and answer, which gives you a lot more background into what a particular procedure might be or a particular illness.
The foundation programs that mean the most to us, I mean, it's really difficult to pick a specific one that I could say is the greatest one. I mean, each one of them in their own right have so many good things to offer. But I think as a whole, it's just great to continue to grow the entire organization and really let the foundation lead what direction the monies should flow.
You know, I feel the community should support the foundation because when you give to the foundation, it supports the health of our community. And we're residents of that community, and if something happens to you, most likely you're going to need our services.
Well, I've understood the value of donating for over 40 years now, since the original capital campaign. And since then, my wife and I have consistently donated. The reason being is that people can see the expansion of the hospital. You can see what is done here. The medical services have been expanded greatly for the members of our community.
There are many ways that someone can support the foundation, whether it's a donation of cash or stock. You can even make a planned gift through a bequest in your will. We have a wonderful charitable gift annuity program, as well as someone can make a gift of life insurance or things of that nature.
One of the ways that we support the foundation is naming the foundation as a benefactor in our will.
We have set up with the foundation a charitable gift annuity. In this type of gift, it's where we give an irrevocable amount of cash, or you can give securities. We chose to give cash to the foundation for their use, and in return, we get a guaranteed fixed income for the rest of our lives.
The reason why we set up this charitable gift annuity was, I think, basically for peace of mind. The hospital and its foundation has just done so much for the community and for outreach and preventative medicine and care that we thought it was a good place to place our money, and also we get a return on that investment. So we're very pleased to be part of the foundation.
A planned gift to the foundation is a great way to leave a legacy in your community. It helps the community's health, and it can help the ones you leave behind.
As a board member, as well as a citizen of this wonderful region, I encourage all members of the community to contribute to the foundation and support our mission. You know, every dollar donated stays in the North Country, and the benefits that are realized because of those donations are plenty.
My wife Betty and I made our living in this area. Feel very strongly that we need to give back to the community, and we feel that this is a good venue or vehicle to be able to support the area and improve the health and health care of our area.
We're hoping other people will join us in supporting the foundation and be willing to give and think about the generations ahead and our kids' kids and how they'll benefit from doing that.
I hope that everyone will consider supporting the foundation now and well into the future so we can make sure that we have a strong medical center and a strong North Country.
As you've just heard, we are great supporters of the foundation and all of its programs. And we hope that you too will look into your financial situation, and with any amount of money that you can share would be wonderful. Of course, if you can give the $1 million, we'd love to have it. Thank you.